What are you doing, dude? Stop. Are you tired of trying to figure out the logistics of outsourcing? With automatic presses like the ROQ YOU and the ROQ Next, there is no longer a reason to continue to outsource, and you can now bring all of your outsourcing in-house and save tons of money. By bringing your outsourcing in-house, life gets easier, less stressful, and you have more control over your business and outcome, creating happy customers and happy business owners. Bring outsourcing in-house with ROQ.
Oh, those are great.